How to open Chime bank account. In order to open a Chime bank account, open your browser and go to chime.com, which is the official website. Tap on the three lines menu icon from the top right hand side, and here you can see various types of options that you can choose. You can see fee-free banking or easy savings or other options. I'll just select the first option, and you'll see different types of bank accounts that are available, like a checkings account and so on. Whichever is convenient for you, you can just tap on that particular account, then tap the learn more button. You can see the requirements for having that particular account, and once done, you can simply get started with opening that account. So you can open an account online by tapping on the get started button, verifying the captcha. And once you verify the captcha, it will give you a legal form that you can fill according to your legal details. So make sure to enter all these details respectively. And once you've done that, you'll be able to verify your information and open a Chime bank account online. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.